Hi, everybody. This is Ian from Lee Media. Today, I'll be talking about optimizing an Amazon advertising sponsored display campaign. And here's what I want everyone to look at. This one on the top here, 365 CSSD. The performance on this is not that good. I'm spending about $68 in the past 7 days, and the sales, that's excluding Amazon's cut and also my own cost, is 124. So the ROAS is 1.8. That's not great. That's maybe around break even, and it needs to be higher. So let's take a look at the campaign and see what's going on. Here is the campaign details. I've opened it up in Amazon Advertising. You can see my default bid is 66 cents, daily budget $35, manual targeting. So let's take a look at some other details. You want to go to the ad groups level and dig into the targeting, because that's where you'll find the problems. Okay, so these are the ads that I have running, and basically they're 5 different products. I've already turned off 2 of them, but you can see 3 are currently running. And then if you go across, you can see where the spending is taking place. This one is spending $43. It's only returned about $48, whereas the one right below it, the product below it, $10 spend, $22 sales. That's okay. It's 2.29 ROAS. And then here we have a $15 spend and a $53 sale. So that's actually quite good. That's 3.5. So what I could do is actually just turn off this particular one. And that might be a good place to start, because this is just, it's getting sales, but it's spending almost the same amount as the total sales. So I'm actually losing money on that, because of course Amazon takes a cut, and this product costs money to make. I might also take a look at the targeting. It's similar to advertised product. The bid is 66 cents. I can see that the cost per click is almost the same, so that looks like it's about at the right level. I could also take a look at negative targeting, making sure that I'm setting that up right, and I know I have, because I have some negative product targets there. But basically, I think I identified what the problem was, and it was one of the products was selling pretty well, but it was spending a lot of money. So I just turned that one off, and hopefully just keeping these 2 products on will help to create a profitable situation in the future, because the ROAS, you can see, it ranges between 2.29 and 3.54. For more information on how to get the most out of your Amazon campaigns, selling on your own shop, I have a channel called leanmedia.org. If you go to blog or video, you can see more of my blog posts and video about Amazon stuff. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, if you could follow my channel and like the video, that would be greatly appreciated. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.